Right here on the corner of 18th and Rosser, we have several sandbags available to the people who need them, and all they have to do is show up and load up their vehicle. Alright, we're heading up 8th Street right now, bridge coming into the flood area that's supposed to be not allowed, and we're being chased right now. Right now we're heading into the evacuated area of Brandon along Stickney Avenue coming down 8th Street Bridge, and people have the choice of leaving or staying. Most people have taken heed and left, and the only thing left around here is bagging continuing going on. Certainly looks like a dead zone here. There's nobody around. We are in a no entry area and must be escorted by police to be in this area. We just finished talking to one of them, and we're going to be taking out of here soon. Lots of sandbagging going on around here still, and they are still building up the dikes. Lots of trucks in the whole area loaded with sand, so things are still being kept up. We haven't given up yet, and it doesn't appear to have started running over the banks yet. Right now we're in the eastern part of Brandon, and as you can see, the eastern access here is like walking on water pretty much. I don't know if they're allowing traffic through or not. We're going to find out right away. The water is rising towards the Brandon Power Station, and they are doing some effort in diking up things to make sure that nothing occurs. Right now we're looking down 1st Street. That's what's all bagged up over there. And that's all of the river over there, going all the way to the low road of Shiloh pretty much. There's a lot of water. It is Wednesday, May 11th. We're looking down upon the flooded Brandon area. Still 3 more days apparently of river rising till it crests. It's really hard to tell if it's going to get any higher. It appears to have been the same height as the last time we were by here on Monday. So far so good, I guess. There you get a better view of how high the river is to these sandbags, as they have put another row up on top. It's a lot of force there. That current is major strong too. So I hope it holds. I do. I don't know how many rows thick this is. I think in around 4 rows thick. And as you can see, the bags are going up 1 more row. Everybody's been ousted out. Nothing is open around here. I hope the river crests soon and we can get this all over with. Everybody's kind of paid the price dearly already. I must say though, this is a strange place to put a fire department considering this was once flooded ground as well. But what do I know?